Hello everyone and welcome to this new video. In this video, we will recap the most intense battles between the two titans of the game of cricket, Australia and India. Here are the top 5 clashes in T20 cricket between these two teams. India and Australia clashed in a T20 match on the 10th of October 2013. India won the toss and put Australia to bat first. Australia put up a mammoth 201 for 7 in their 20 overs, which was powered by a sublime innings of 89 by Aaron Finch, which was supported by a cameo from Maxwell in the death overs. Feeling good about the target set, Australia were all set to win this game. India's chase was dented in the beginning with the departure of Rohit Sharma early, followed by Suresh Raina. Although Shikhar Dhawan and Virat Kohli tried to stabilize the Indian innings, it was only the mighty Yuvraj Singh who put up 77 runs in just 35 balls alongside Mahendra Singh Dhoni, who won the game for Team India with just 2 balls remaining. Yuvraj Singh was also named the man of the match for his 77 runs. 27th of March 2016. It was the big stage of the T20 World Cup when the two giants locked horns yet again for a thriller of an encounter. Australia won the toss and decided to bat first, and Maxwell and Aaron Finch powered Australia to a respectable total of 160 in 20 overs. They believed that they were about 10 runs short of what they had planned, but what followed was a brilliant second innings for both the sides regardless of its outcome. Shane Watson dismissed Rohit Sharma early and Dhawan and Raina got out cheaply. The win was now looking imminent until King Kohli roared with the bat on the field and scored a match-winning 82 of just 51 balls to make sure India won the match in the last over. He was later also named as the man of the match. India and Australia clashed in the semi-finals of the inaugural T20 World Cup. In this match, Mahendra Singh Dhoni won the toss and chose to bat first. The openers never got to settle down as Brett Lee and Mitchell Johnson bowled really well and dried up runs early in the innings. Yuvraj Singh and MS Dhoni rained havoc on the top-class Australian bowling as they powered Team India to a massive 188 for 5 in their 20 overs. Matthew Hayden and Adam Gilchrist started off really well, and it looked as though Australia would chase down the total easily as they had a star-studded lineup. Andrew Symonds' cameo down the order went in vain as Srishant tried up runs with his bowling as his economy rate was of just 3. As a result, Team India won the game by just 15 runs and progressed to the finals of the first ever T20 World Cup. Yuvraj Singh was also named the man of the match. The two teams locked horns once again for a historic low-run encounter at Vizag in 2019. Australia won the toss and decided to put India to bat first. The Australian bowlers looked to be in excellent rhythm as they got rid of Rohit Sharma early. No other batsman from the Indian side, apart from KL Rahul, looked to be in good rhythm, and as a result, India crumbled to 126 for 7 in their 20 overs. Nathan Coulter-Neill was the star with the ball as he picked up 3 crucial wickets. The Indian bowlers also struck well and early as Bumrah picked up 3 crucial wickets as well. But the Indian bowling was outclassed by the batting of Glenn Maxwell, and the match was finished by Pat Cummins and Richardson on the last ball of the Australian innings. This thrilling encounter resulted with Nathan Counterdean being rewarded as the man of the match. India and Australia again met for a thrilling encounter at the Sydney Cricket Ground. In this match, Australia won the toss and elected to bat first. The batsmen struggled against the Indian bowling and looked to be outclassed. Khawaja, Marsh and Maxwell failed to deliver until the mighty Watto man stepped in with his unbeaten 124 to power the Australians to 197 for 5 in their 20 overs. This sublime batting performance by Watson boosted the confidence of the entire Australian squad. Shikhar Dhawan and Rohit Sharma started off very well for the run chase but perished early in the long chase. Virat Kohli played a decent innings of 50 runs to stabilize the Indian batting, but it was Suresh Raina's rain of runs and Yuvraj Singh's cameo that won the match for India on the final ball of the Indian innings. This is one of the most exciting T20 matches of all time. Shane Watson was also named the man of the match for his unbeaten 124, although it was in a losing cause. These were the 5 matches that we believe bear the testimony to the level of intensity of playing when these two sides meet. Which is your favorite match? Let us know down below.